मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोग are out there who are struggling to grow their hair, and I am one of them. In this short video, I'll just be sharing what I do like on a regular basis to stimulate the growth. Just on regular basis, like अच्छा खाना पड़ेगा, आपको हाइड्रेशन अपनी ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी, राइट? आपको विटामिन सी, लाइक बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो इसको ग्रोथ को स्टिमुलेट करती है, वो सारी आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. इट्स नॉट गोना बी ईजी, राइट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू डाइट. आप सब कुछ कर लो, लेकिन अगर आपकी डाइट पुअर है तो इट शोज ऑन योर स्किन, इट शोज ऑन योर हेयर, लाइक ओवरऑल बॉडी. तो try to take the diet properly. I will share what I do, specifically my breakfast, because it's the heaviest. I actually make piñas out of those and I eat it every day with the coffee. I'm going to share that also. Okay, so I have like 3 brushes here. I will be using this one today because I wanted to stimulate my scalp, right? And I will be brushing my hair very nicely with the thin one so that it actually stimulates my hair a little bit. Like on a daily basis, when you come from the work or if you have to go to the work, it's just 2 minutes. Very important. Like if you have time, just put your head upside down and then do the back combing of the hair. And that's actually very nice. Next thing is very important. Very, very important. If you have made your scalp serum like growth booster or anything at home, please apply that. But this is not oily at all, so I'll be using this. I use this every day and it's actually gonna finish, and I already have another bottle in the drawer. So what I do is and if you see, my baby hairs are coming out. It's very, there is a Kerastase one, but that is actually very expensive. It was not in my budget. So I will be using this. You think there's less hair. After using this, you don't even have to wash your hair. You can just put your thing in bun, or you can just do a braid and you'll be good. After that, I'll just massage my hair nicely. क्योंकि जब ये सूख जाएगा तो ये वैसे ही हेयर हो जाएंगे जैसे आपके थे. आपको वॉश करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I'll do this and then I think I'm done. Like everything is done. I'll just put it in a bun and then it's good. So this is my regular ritual that I do.